Warm welcome to the exciting world of animals. May I hope for a subscription, please? The black drongo is a small Asian passerine bird of the Drongo family Dicruridae. It is a common resident breeder in much of tropical southern Asia from southwest Iran through India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka east to southern China and Indonesia, and accidental visitor of Japan. It is an all-black bird with a distinctive forked tail. It feeds on insects and is common in open agricultural areas and light forest throughout its range, perching conspicuously on a bare perch or along power or telephone lines. The species is known for its aggressive behaviour towards much larger birds, such as crows, never hesitating to dive bomb any bird of prey that invades its territory. This behavior earns it the informal name of king crow. Smaller birds often nest in the well-guarded vicinity of a nesting black drongo. Previously grouped along with the African fork-tailed drongo, the Asian forms are now treated as a separate species with several distinct populations. The black drongo has been introduced to some Pacific islands, where it has thrived and become abundant to the point of threatening and causing the extinction of native and endemic bird species there. This bird is glossy black with a wide fork to the tail. Adults usually have a small white spot at the base of the gape. The iris is dark brown. The sexes cannot be told apart in the field. Juveniles are brownish and may have some white barring or speckling towards the belly and vent, and can be mistaken for the white-bellied drongo. They become active very early at dawn and roost later than many other birds. They feed mainly on insects such as grasshoppers, cicadas, termites, wasps, bees, ants, moths, beetles, and dragonflies. Black drongos breed mainly in February and March in southern India, and until August in other parts of the country. Males and females sing in the mornings during the breeding season. Pair bonds are retained for a whole breeding season. The nest is a cup made with a thin layer of sticks placed in the fork of branch, and is built in a week by both the male and female. Eggs are laid close to the first rains in April. The usual clutch is 3 or rarely 4 eggs laid in a cup nest placed in the fork of an outer branch of tree. Large leafy trees such as the jackfruit are preferred. The eggs are incubated by both parents and hatch after 14 to 15 days. Nestlings are brooded for the first 5 days, after which the young are capable of maintaining a fairly constant body temperature. A second clutch may be laid if the first is destroyed. Thank you for your interest in wildlife. See you soon, take care and be safe.